I'm still trying to use up these fat quarter bundles. So I'm going to use that one. I'm going to use this gray. I bought some muslin for the background. And I think I might use this navy blue. But I don't know if that's if they're going to match. Yeah, I'm using navy blue. I'm going to try to do this, what's it called, a stack and slash. And with the fat quarters, I think I can make 9-inch blocks, 9-inch squares, or at least 8.5-inch squares. Wait. Shoot. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix these up right quick, make sure I don't have all my solids on the bottom, which it looks like I have most of the solids on the bottom. In between each of these intersections, I'm going to add a 1.5 strip. And I'm going to sew them together, and I'm going to see what's that's going to look like. And normally I would make some practice blocks before jumping in to making a block, but I didn't this time, and I wish I did because I kind of don't like it. I got confused so many times by adding these strips. So now, ooh, that's off. I probably want, if I continue to make this more blocks, I have to make sure I have everything lined up, because that's not lined up right there. So this goes that way. Then I'm gonna add a strip in the middle. See, right now I'm not feeling it, but I already cut all this up, so I'm gonna keep on going. I'm going to go ahead and square this up. Maybe it'll look like something. Like right here, I didn't line something right. So I'll try to be careful on the next block. So this block right here probably will not make the cut. I know the next block won't be 8.5. Okay, not as bad as I thought. Well, it was still confusing. My first set came out looking more like squares, but my second set that I made came out looking like rectangles. So it looks like when I square them, I'm gonna have to square them to 8 inches. And I have, let's see, got this set to do. Two more sets to do. This side has 6 sections. In this one, I sliced it so there was only 5 sections. After a while, it got less confusing sewing these pieces together, but I did a lot of unpicking. Like when I sew like this part to this part, sometimes you can line the 2 pieces up. Sometimes you have to let it overhang by 1/4 inch, and sometimes you had to let it overhang by less than 1/4 inch. So I always did the first one, unpick, so then when I chain piece that, I knew what to do. You can see the 2 holes where I ran through the needle. Well, not the needle, the pins, safety pins. Focus. I forgot to mention that I am using serger thread for the quilting. I don't have problems with the serger thread when I'm quilting on this machine. I don't have any tears, shreds, thread breaks, or fraying. So serger thread is good for me on this machine. And I haven't washed it yet. I just put it in the washing machine and it's filling up and the color is already coming out. Just with plain cold water and no detergent. But I think I might put a couple of drops of dish detergent just to be sure that it comes out. But I haven't started washing yet. And it's coming out already. That part. Haven't touched the water yet. The water is really orange, and the orange thing you see is the color catcher.